Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Turbro portable outdoor fire pit, and this is how it arrived in this box, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. The model name is Pluto R19, and it does come on this color, and the one that we have here, it's black for outdoor use only. It gives you warnings, how to put it together, how to use it, how not to use it as well too. I just saw that X. How to clean it, how to put it away, maintenance. Here's a quick guide, and it tells you how to put it together, how to assemble it. And here we have a QR code just in case you have more questions, a phone number, email, website, and that QR code. Here you have the bag to put it away in, and it is thick, and it has this cord to close it, and you have handles so you can carry this out somewhere because it is portable. So let's put this away, and then you have the rest of it here. So let me take this out and put it on the table. And I did see that it does have letters on most of the parts, like this one has an F right in here, that one has a G, the one in the back, and this one has a D, so you can familiarize yourself with the parts. So this is the bottom part, and on this one I did see on one of their videos, these you can go ahead and pull them apart, so your fire pit is not on the ground, it's lifted, and you can go ahead and put it down. And here are the letters too. You have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have G all the way at the bottom, which is this, the legs. Then you have F, and then E. So we're gonna put this on top, D, like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put C on top of it, like that. And then you can go ahead and lock it by turning it, and right there it's locked. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and put this last piece, and we're gonna go ahead and put it up here like that, and that's it. So now you have plenty of space in here, and this is what it looks like from outside. I do like the little flames down here. You can breathe from down here. I like the finish. To use it, you can go ahead and take this ring out, put the logs in here, and once you put them in there, then you can go ahead and start your fire, and then put this ring back. And what this will do is, this will keep the flames from coming out this way. They will basically face inward. So that's pretty cool that you won't get all the fire outside this ring. So before I get it all dirty and use it, I'm gonna show you how to put it away. Take the ring off, then this, since it's locked, let's unlock it first. It has the arrows here, so unlock it towards your right, and then take this off. Next step is to take this out, and of course you're gonna have to clean this, clean that down there. Then you're gonna put this back, but you're not gonna put it the same way. You're gonna put it upside down, and there is a way to put it in here. There's a little gap here and here, so if you put it that way, it doesn't move around from there. Then we can put this back, and then lastly you put this in here as well, but you're gonna put it upside down. And before you do all that, you can put the legs away any way you best like to do it, but I did this step last. Simply makes the whole thing much smaller, like that. And then now you can go ahead and get the bag, put it all in here, and carry it away. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.